Well, a lot of people have experienced many changes in their lives over this past year or so, and those changes can have a big impact in so many ways. Today is National Insurance Awareness Day, and our sponsor, Meadowbrook Insurance, recommends this is a good time to review how lives have changed and reconsider what coverage you have. We are joined by Matthew McGrail to tell us more. Thank you for being with us.
Well, thanks for having me, Toddy.
So tell us about Meadowbrook Insurance Agency.
So Meadowbrook Insurance Agency has been around since 1955, and we've been providing insurance consultation for families and businesses throughout our communities ever since. We're an independent agency, and what that means is we represent many insurance companies so we can provide the right product and coverage based off of our clients' needs. We're very proud of our Michigan roots, and we look forward to being a leader within the insurance industry and within our communities for the upcoming future.
Yeah, that's great. Now, let's look at the changes to consider, starting with home insurance.
So there's many changes to consider during a normal year, whether you're buying or selling a home or making renovations to your home. But what the pandemic has brought is a lot of unique changes. More individuals are working from home, or kids are doing a remote learning environment. Those are situations that you want to discuss with your insurance agent to make sure your home insurance is providing the right protection you need. Another example is building materials have skyrocketed over the last 12 to 18 months. So making sure if you have a total loss to your home, you have full replacement value is very important with the increasing cost of materials. So make sure you check with your insurance company to make sure you have the right protection.
Okay, that's a great place to start. Now, let's talk about car insurance. Could our car insurance be affected by the recent changes in our lives?
For sure. With the additional work from home situations, I think we're all driving a little bit less. And there are many factors that insurance companies look at when they're determining rates for individuals, but how much you drive is one of those key factors. So make sure you have that conversation with your insurance agent to make sure it's determined if you qualify for any of those discounts. We've had a lot of success of making sure that key factor is accurate and potentially finding some savings for our clients. Another change that we've all heard a lot about in the last year is no-fault reform. So that's another opportunity to have a conversation with your insurance agent to make sure the coverages and limits are right for your individual situation.
Okay, very good things to keep in mind. Now, what are some other life changes that people might not consider related to insurance?
Sure. If you're getting married or divorced, having kids, maybe a child is moving away to college, those are all things to consider. Maybe a serious illness, you're starting a new job or potentially retiring. All those are opportunities to have a conversation with your insurance agent to make sure that you have the right coverages again for your individual situation. These all change over the course of the year, so any of those would be an opportunity to trigger that conversation.
Yeah, any little change, might as well better to have the conversation than run into a surprise. So now let me ask you this, what advice would you give viewers when it comes to reviewing insurance policies?
I would say, make it a habit to have that annual conversation with your insurance agent. There are a lot of sub-limits or additional coverages that you could often add to your policy at minimal additional premium that just the standard policy doesn't automatically include. So have the conversation with your agent. There might be some discounts that they can uncover. And obviously, Meadowbrook Insurance Agency, we're here. If you want to have the conversation with us, reach out. There's a no obligation consultation with us, and we'll make sure we tailor the right insurance program that fits your needs and your household's needs.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much for joining us and for all of this great information.
Well, thanks for having me, Toddy. I appreciate it.
We appreciate you. To learn more about all the Meadowbrook Insurance Agency has to offer and to schedule your free consultation, visit their website, meadowbrookagency.com. You don't need to be a client of Meadowbrook Insurance Agency to receive the free consultation. That website again is meadowbrookagency.com. Always better safe than sorry.